Let's make sure everything looks good. Sounds good. Let me go a second for the stream to start. Check it out. Make sure everything's good. The first thing I realize is, actually, let me do a sound check. Sound check. Have this muted. Sound check, sound check. Okay, it sounds good. All right. Let me pause this. Okay, cool. I mean, it sounds okay. So yeah, back to the authentication. I did get it working off stream. A couple things I was doing wrong is I'm not, the sign-in UI is not going to be rendered conditionally. I don't think. Yeah, it's not. It's just going to show, I fixed the CSS as well. I didn't create my own. This wasn't included. I just had to import it. I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, I think I'm just going to put this button in the upper right as a sign-in button. I don't know. I could have a sign-in page or sign-in button and then it loads a page with this button, but for now I'm probably not going to do that. So yeah, I don't need to do this at all. So yeah, I commented this out and it works now. And it makes sense because this was always false, so it was never showing. Or if I set it equal to false, then it would show, but then it wouldn't work afterwards. So I think we're good now. So let me double check this. Works. And then I need to rearrange some things. Let's see. Let me double check what I have open here. Okay, all of that's fine. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to check. Okay, so it is working. Just want to show that. If I click sign in, it does this thing, which I need to figure out how to customize that. Obviously, this won't show anymore after we're signed in, so I need to figure that out as well. If I hit testing though, it does actually, it's able to access the database just straight through the front end. So either I didn't understand what I read before or it wasn't true, but I do not need to, for now, use Firebase functions. So I'm actually just going to close this out. And let's actually redeploy this and get rid of that endpoint for now. Probably could have done it through the console, but so I'll let that do its thing and close it when it's done. So yeah, let's see if this is working on incognito because it wasn't earlier. Okay, so far so good. Okay. And it works. Cool. Alright, so I fixed that issue. This I don't need. Just cleaning up a little bit. And most of this is test code anyways, but still cleaning up the test code for now. I'm not going to use any functions right now, so let's get rid of this. So yeah, here's how I fix the UI. If I comment this out, you'll see it looks weird again. And if I bring it back, it looks nice again. And the way I figured that out was looking at the React wrapper, which I'm probably going to end up using. They actually recommend it on this page way down. So table of contents, yeah. So I'll probably end up using that, but anyways, I looked in there and it talks about the two ways that it uses styling. So I looked in the source and I just copied that line. So anyways, yeah, so I'm probably going to use this because it does some things that I'm not doing, and I don't necessarily need to implement those. I kind of understand what's going on here. There's no reason to do that. So, cool. All right, but for now, let's go back, clean up some more stuff. Would you like to proceed with deletion? The following is recommended that you create a new function first. Yes, I want to proceed with deletion. Alright, come back to that. Oh wait, is it done? Yeah, looks like it's done. Alright, we can just close this. I'm not going to use functions for now. I don't know. I don't need them. I'm going to close that. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, Firestore. So I named this Firestore, but I'm exporting like all kinds of stuff. The reason I have this file is so I can just instantiate it once and then export it, so I don't have to keep reinstantiating it. And I don't think that's a good idea anyways, although maybe it doesn't matter. So let me get rid of that, and I'm going to remove auth from here. Remove auth from here. I did find out that this would work instead of this, but I think this is probably better. So let's use this method, and we're going to get rid of auth in this file here. Actually, I'm wondering how this works. I don't know. I don't know. Jeez, do I need to put this? Like, can I just export this like that and it refers to... And then I should rename this file. I'm gonna do that for now. I'll call it... I don't want to... Is it okay to call it Firebase? I don't know. I don't know, because it clashes with the package naming, I think. I don't know. I'll call it Firebase. What do I call this? Firebase exports? I don't know, honestly. All right, let's fix this now. I'm going to keep the convention for now of using .js on non-components and without .js on components, just to easily tell. Get rid of auth. And we'll do firebase.auth. I think there is an option, by the way, to pass in your app ID. I think I'm going to do that to prevent any possible issues. But yeah, all right. I don't think any of this is going to matter, or I mean, not any of this. Some of this is going to matter when I use this React wrapper. So I'm going to install this. And I realized I did npm install earlier, so I probably have both a package.json and yarn lock. I mean, package lock JSON and yarn lock. This might be a problem. I'm gonna stick with yarn or npm. Let's stick with yarn, I guess. I don't know if you can have both, if that causes issues. I think I read that somewhere, it does. We'll stick with yarn, I guess, for now, and maybe change it over. I'm gonna restart everything after yarn add, let's see. I think it's -- save. Oh, I said yard. Let's see what happens here. Is it doing anything? I don't know. Weird. Maybe add doesn't save. Hold on. Yarn add. I bet it automatically saves like npm. Yeah, let's just do that. This terminal is completely screwed. Yeah. The bash terminal, VS Code with this Python thing going on, not the best. Wait. Let's try it without save. Okay, there it goes. I guess technically I don't need this, but because it gets installed with the React thing, but That's alright. React Firebase UI is incorrect peer dependency. Man, it's gonna take forever. That's okay. Why is this running forever? I don't know. Well, after everything works, I'll probably reinstall all the dependencies and double check that it still works and just go from there. Not gonna worry about it at the moment. So I was looking at this too. Two similar components. Firebase Auth and styled Firebase Auth. I don't see why I shouldn't use this one if it works, because Firebase Auth is meant to be used with this, and I believe that's built in to create React apps. So, because I just tried it out, and since it's potentially better, I'm gonna use it as soon as it installs. Yeah, I don't know if there's an issue with doing this in multiple files, or doing this in one file and then referring to this from the package again. I don't know. I think that is an issue. I think it needs to be initialized, and then if you reference it other places, it can't come from here again. Although, actually I don't think that matters, because they'll still refer to the same. Yeah, it's still going to refer to the same thing. I think that's fine. That being said, I'm fine with the current setup, so. So this, I'll probably not use this. I'll use this, I think. Or I'll just refer, we'll see. Honestly, I don't know if I need that, because I'm just going to go back to the main route and Actually, no, I'm going to use a callback so that it shows it renders the app component in the same window. I can do it multiple ways, whatever. Alright, it should be almost done. It is done. Oops. Okay. So let's just copy this. We're not going to use local state. I'm going to use context. Yeah, context. API, I guess. But let's copy this, and this will be our sign-in component. Let's make a components folder. For now, I'll just put them all in the components folder. Maybe I'll have subfolders later. Let's call it sign-in. And we'll export it as the default. What did that say before? Ah. Okay. Does this really need to be a class? Get rid of these. Firebase exports. Why did that not show up autocomplete? Oh, because this is endlessly checking for update of whatever. That's annoying. Oh, actually, yeah, it doesn't matter. We're gonna use Firebase auth. Firebase auth. Okay. Get rid of this. Don't want this. Let's copy this. Okay. I guess remove this. We're no longer doing this. We'll still have that. Return. Okay, keep that for now. Okay. Let's throw this at the top. Okay. It's good. Everything looks okay here. I don't think I need a class here. I might at some point. Let's leave it for now. Okay, Firebase UI. I'm using that over here, right? Wait. Oh, yeah. React Firebase UI, okay. Okay, get rid of this. Don't need this as well. And don't need this. Okay. Don't need this either. Alright, let's import this sign in. And throw it here. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Yay, it's still working. Oh no, that's old. Alright, let's start the dev server. I'm guessing it won't be working. We'll see. No, Firebase app default has been created. Ah, true. I moved this above before I initialized it. Okay. Let's move it back down. We'll just throw it right back where it was. Actually, throw this at the bottom. There we go. Looks pretty good. Fix Google Auth provider of undefined Firebase Auth Google Auth provider. Okay. So I'm in here. I go out here. Let me see. What? Oh. Wonder if I could see this. Yeah. Of undefined, huh? I know why, I think. So auth is undefined because oh, same reason as this. I need this and auth. Oops. There we go. What is this? Oh, right. There we go. All right, let's get rid of this garbage. I'm going to call this sign in button because I'm not going to make it anything more than a button. Okay. What? Oh. There we go. Back to normal. I'm going to get rid of some of those logs. Still wondering about this. I don't know. It seems like unnecessary. But maybe not. Alright, see if it still works. And yay. Okay, now I need a sign out button. Let's set that up. I'll just throw it here for now. Yeah, I'm not getting any sort of autocomplete on anything. I need to fix that real quick. This is just for testing. Okay. So how do I sign out? Jeez. Okay. What does that say, by the way? Sign in. Okay. Sign out. Probably want not Firebase UI, but just the regular documentation. Let's look at this. Firebase auth and then something. If I had autocomplete, I could probably just look that way, but in fact, let's checking for update of JSTS imports. Let's see what's up there. Let's try the old close reopen. That's what that does. If this doesn't work, I'm going to delete the node modules and start from scratch, I guess. Wait for that to load. Huh. Okay. Oh. Let's see if we got autocomplete now. Let's see. Boom. And what about auto close tag? There we go. Is Emmett working? Does Emmett work here? Is that not how you do it? Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Authentication. Get started. Sign out. It's that simple. Let's give it a shot. Where do we have that? Here. Oh wait, is autocomplete working here now? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then sign out. It works. Although I don't want it to hide that, but it's okay. All right. Now let's get a little structure going. So I want a header. I think I'm going to throw this in layouts folder. Header.js. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have folders because I'm going to have CSS files. Oops. Header and footer. And we're going to add footer.js. Footer. I think it's module.css. I'll have to look that up and double check. I'm going to use CSS modules. Header, yes. Header.module.css. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, sweet. All right, so we're gonna have so the header is gonna be pretty simple. Let's do. It's gonna be a stateless functional component for now. Header. Do I want to use arrow functions? I actually don't like this. Export default header return div test MR. What is this? Oh, function. Okay. Header, footer. Okay. Import. Footer module. Is that how you do it? No. Styles from and is it class? How is this? Class name. Okay. And this will be display flex line. Oh, no. Justify content space. Apart? That's not an option? Seriously? Wait, what? Come back to that. Oh wait, this is footer. That's fine. Copy this in the header. And this as well. Grab this as well. Okay. Let's put a couple items. Div test1, test2. Okay. App. Import header from opponent slash header. I know that's not gonna work. So export default from header. Oh, you can't do that. Okay. Wait. Oh, no. There we go. Is that right? Can I do that? No. I think that'll work. One way to find out. This header will go up here. It's really a nav bar, but I'll call it a header, I guess. Actually, no, it's not a nav bar. I'm not gonna have. I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right, so that's that. Let's see. Test 1, test 2. Okay. So align items. Where are we at here? Display flex, flex direction, column, no, row. Maybe now I can do this. Space around. Let's try that. Does nothing. Okay, I have no idea how Flexbox works, apparently. Or, this isn't working. Let's see. Color green. Yeah, it's not working. Oh, what am I doing? This should be header. There we go. But I wanted space apart. Is that not an option? No, it's not an option. Space between. I think that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, there we go. All right, space between. So footer. For now, it has nothing. Just says footer. Let's throw it in there though. I'm gonna do a lot of rearranging of this, by the way. Let's copy this in here. Oops. Okay. Got the footer, got the header. Sweet. For now, let's do text align center. Does nothing. Sweet, because I have display flex. Okay, let's do some padding as well. 20. Alright, cool. Let's throw some padding on the header as well. Same padding. Alright, cool. Looks good, man. Looks freaking amazing. Alright. I'll leave that as is. Now, I want to set up an actual grid, CSS grid. So, how is that going to be structured? What do I have here? So I have header, footer. So I guess app can have my grid, I suppose. Is that how I want to do it? Yes. Yeah. Yes, I guess. I don't know. Display grid. I don't think that changes anything. Oh, it does change things. Okay. Now, how does grid work? 'Cause I forgot. It's been a while. We will not be using template, whatever. I think we just want grid rows. So yeah, we want... I think we're good now. Okay, so... I'll probably move this stuff out of app, or move that out of app at least. But that's fine. What if I take that off? Does nothing. Sweet. Alright, let's just get rid of that. Alright, so let's say grid columns. I don't want a template. Isn't there a grid columns, grid rows? Oh, no. This is not what I'm looking for. Or is it? Yes, it is. Okay, this is what I want. So the header and the footer. It's gonna be grid column. What's grid auto columns? Don't need to mess with that at the moment. So it's gonna go 1, and I think you could do -1 all the way across the page. And it doesn't do anything, which is what I expected. How about 5? Whoa. What did that do? I don't know. I think that's what I want. Okay. Same thing for the footer. And then I want grid row. I basically want template. Actually, I think this is what I want. Grid template rows inside of here. I don't think that's going to change anything. Let's see. No. So I want, I think it's 1FR auto 1FR. Does absolutely nothing. Okay. Oh, they're just like this. Still does nothing. Trying to get us basically the footer to go to the bottom. I know I've done this before. I don't remember where that project is that I did that. Actually, you know what? I think I can find it. Let's see. Let's see if I can find that. That would be in here. CSS grid. Wait. Flexbox grid. I think this has what I need. Demo. Yeah, I don't think any of these I have what I need, to be honest. Let's see. No. I could probably just look this up pretty easily. Let me look at one more thing. Yeah. Wait, this doesn't work? I have grid templates. Columns. Huh. So, let's see. Let's just try that for now. Okay, does that work? I think that does work. And then the I guess everything, the main content can be Actually, let's just do this. Text, align, center, bring that back. It does nothing. What? This does nothing either. What if I do... Oh, auto. So I want... I just want this to fill up the entire page. Squared sticky footer, I guess. That's what I'm looking for. One FR auto. Grid template rows. One fraction unit. Auto. Oh, I think I get it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking of it backwards, right? No. I think I'm good. So yeah, okay. I know. I just need this inside of my main. Yeah, and then I need 1 to 2. I think that'll work. Let's see if this works. No. Two to 3. Is this even more refreshing? Okay. Wait, I have 2 separate files open. Okay, that's fine. Is it because I don't have height 100%? Maybe. Maybe that's the problem. That actually might be the problem. To me, this should work. So let's do that. Where's the index? We'll do HTML, body, what was the other thing? Root. Is that what it's called? Yes. I think that works. And then this will also have a height of 100%. There we go, I got something on. Yeah, that's perfect actually. Okay. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Okay. What if I did just this? Okay, we're good there. All right. What if I took this off? I'm wondering if it would still work. I'm gonna guess no. No. Okay. Alright, got that working. Looks terrible, obviously, but that's fine. I just need to make this section a flex box. Or did I? Oh, right. Display grid. But then, yeah, and then I need main, I guess. I'll do main. And this will have span container. Oops. And then everything else will go in here. And then let's see. And this will be display flex. I'm actually kind of wondering why this doesn't seem to have the same padding. What if I do 1FR here, 1FR? Does that do anything? Nah. I could do that, but do I want a fixed height? Footer and header? Kind of. Yeah, I do. At least for now. Just wondering why that's like, it seems to be pushed down. Wonder if I add padding 0 here, if it does anything. Nah, it doesn't seem to do much. Alright. So I don't want this to be so crazy. Let's see some. So these buttons, oh yeah, this whole thing. Okay, so I didn't put how many rows it takes up, so let's do that. That might be at least part of the problem. So container takes up, how did I do it over here? Grid column. I think I could just do grid row. Let's not do two things at once. Grid column will go 2 to -2. Okay. Oh, this is crazy. That looks okay, I guess. I could also just have it go all the way across and give it some fixed width. I think I'd rather do that. Max width. what's the normal people do? I don't know. 1080 for now. And then I need to center it. Justify content center. No, it does nothing. Oh, align or flex direction row. Justify center. Does absolutely nothing. Or does it? Why is that going all the way? It has to do with the grid, but not sure. Why is it off? And what's up with this? Why is there a scroll bar? I freaking hate CSS, man. Oh, gosh. Firebase is defined but never used. TestDB is assigned a value but never used. Okay, that's because of what I just did. So I have to figure out why. Wait, is this what I have to do with this thing? No. Why is there a scroll bar? Program code, how's it going, man? CSS is always annoying. Yeah, really. I mean, I just wish I was good at it, but I guess that takes practice. I just don't know. Let's make these labels more appropriate for now, I guess. Just so it looks normal. So this is header. Brand. Let's throw it in a string. String expression, whatever. Sign out. Okay. Alright, so let's get rid of that green color. Alright. I just don't know how CSS grid really works and how Flexbox really works. Maybe if I, let me see. CSS grid, scroll bar. Okay. Alright, let's look at this article. I don't want a sidebar, but that's okay. This will be my main, I think. No, it's going to be a little bit different, but maybe I'll learn a few things. Okay. With CSS grid, we can find how the structure should be laid out. Page, display grid, grid template rows, auto, 30px. So that means the top is auto, everything else, and the bottom is 30px. And it says that right there, okay? Columns, what do I have? $40px, auto, 40px. I want a fixed height. Header and footer is the same for now. Okay. I think it has to do a little bit too with what I'm saying is this has the appropriate padding. This does not. Something going on there. Let's get rid of this in case this is causing some styling issues. And then I'll get back to the article. Did the footer have bottom padding? Usually padding somewhere which adds vertical scroll bars. Ah, okay. It has just all around padding, just like the header. Let's remove it. Ah, nice. Crazy. Wow. Usually padding somewhere which adds vertical scroll bars. Really? Nice, thank you. I don't get that though. So why is this in the center? Oh, wait. Not the center horizontally, the center vertically. Wait, let me see. It's not in the center vertically, it's at the top. Okay, cool. Sweet, nice, beautiful. But why does the bottom padding? That's so weird. Okay. That did the trick. So for now, I don't care about top padding. Let me give this a border though, so we can see border. For now, top 1 pixel solid grid. Okay. That's fine. Hey, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. I probably would have spent a long time figuring that one out. All right, this will be a display flex. And then we are going to get rid of text align center and add in justify content center. Let's make sure I know what that means. Yes. And I guess we'll center everything for now. Align items center. I think this does the same thing as justify self on everything. Is this right? I don't know. I mean align self. Alright, so footer centered for now. Let's give the header some top padding or bottom border just so I can see it. Oops, that was top. Okay. Now this doesn't seem to have any bottom padding. Oh no, it's just it's flex. Wait. Wait, what? I don't know. I just don't know. Okay. I guess line items. Oops, what is this? Okay. It did absolutely nothing. Why is that stuck to the bottom? Don't know. Let me get rid of the padding. What does that do? I don't know, man. I don't get it. Alright, we'll just do left and right padding. So we'll go top and bottom and left and right. There we go. Alright, starting to look okay now. And what if I add some... Let me just try something. If I add a bunch of content in here... well, first of all... Okay, that's good. Let's just see what happens. I want to see... Wait, what? Oh, because I made it, alright. Because I made this row. Let's actually not even make this flex at all for now. Okay, and then add some more. I just want to see what happens if I'm actually surprised I didn't go off the screen. Okay, cool. And then scroll and you get to the footer. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Let's erase all these. And why is this off center? Let's figure that out now. Let's get rid of it actually and just add something more basic. Okay, that's definitely off, right? There's some sort of ruler we can use. Wait, let's just look at this. Oh, it's not taking up all. Okay. I see, I see. Okay. So, why does that not work? Grid columns. Let me see. Oh, right, because I gave it a max, duh. So I need to center this. I just need to do margin auto? That's why I was thinking I could do... Make this flex, but then everything in it is a flex item, so I think that causes the issues. Alright, let's just do margin auto. Margin 0 auto. There we go, beautiful. Perfect. Mashing the keyboard. I learned CSS before Flex was a thing and never got into it before I moved to Node. Okay. Yeah, margin auto definitely did the trick. I think this is a good max width. I think 960 is another one. I'm gonna do 1080. I think screens are getting bigger, so that's fine. Actually, Emmet has lorem, so I should be using that. Let me try that out. forum. Boom. Thank you, Emmett. Yeah, there we go. That's sweet. I like it. Looks beautiful. All right. Okay, I got the main layout going. So now I need to actually, I want to get the sign out, sign in button working. So let's do that. I think this is okay. I have a header, a main, that's a container, and a footer. Seems appropriate. All right, so the sign in button is going to go in the header. Maybe I'll call it a navbar later or something. For now, it's called a header. Maybe I'll have a separate navbar header. All right, let's see. Okay. Cannot resolve. Oh, cannot resolve components because it's in a different path. Let's see. So that is from here. It's one directory back. Right? Yes. No. Alright, let's use autocomplete. Two directories back. And not in, I don't have to go into the components. Okay. So it's there, but it's gonna go here instead. And this is gonna go away. Okay. Good. Need to make this bigger. So let's go with 60. Smaller footer. Yeah, good enough. Okay. Let's pick a nice background color. I like to jump around to different things. If I just think of it, I just try it. Let's see. Let's go to the material, UI colors for now. Nope. Yeah, we'll just use one of these. Let's go with. Let's go with. I don't know. What are these things on the left? Hue. Let's go with indigo. I might change that later, but so background color. Let's just do background. Okay, looks like total shit. We need to change the color to white, probably. Okay. All right. I mean, it's all right. I could style this too, I think. Pretty easily. Okay. So that's now okay. The footer, we'll give like a gray color for now. Or no, we'll use the same color but a different hue. A very light hue, like this. Let's try this first. Footer. It's too dark, I think. Let's give it one lighter. One lighter. Oh. Okay. It's okay, I guess, for now. Alright. Got a header and a footer, a sign in button. This obviously needs some styling, but let's not worry about it. But let's get rid of that default text. Target. I just remember if you're using Webpack, so I'm using Create React App, which I believe uses Webpack. You can add an alias, so you don't need to do all the upward directory jumping. Okay. Would I have to eject to do that? I'm not sure how to do that. Directory. Jumping. Webpack. Prevent. Yeah. I'm gonna. I'll make a note of that. I just don't want to. I don't want to eject right now. I might still be able to do it without ejecting. Just want to. So I'm definitely gonna mark that down. Webpack resolve alias. Okay. And all right, I'll definitely look into that later. Thank you. Let's leave that over here for now. Okay. All right, so we got this kind of working. Now I actually want to make it functional. So, I mean, it does, this part works, sort of. And then it comes back, so it doesn't exactly work yet. Where was that button I had? Let's close all these. Oh, here it is. Not that button though. Alright, let's see. Yeah, okay, we're still authorized. Okay, cool. Alright, so that's kind of working. Let's see what we got here. So when I click this, I want to show the sign out button and hide the other one. Not hide. I mean, this should be built into this component. So what's up with that? Let's read it. I'm using Firebase auth, right? Let's see. Yes, okay. Okay. In your app, import that. I did. Configure. I did. Write a Firebase UI configuration. So that is here, but I probably need to work on that. Is the one of the things. Use the Firebase in your template, passing it to the UI. Passing it the UI configuration and auth instance. Done. Okay. Okay. Alright, for simplicity, yep. Below is an example, so I basically copied this. I'm not going to be using this as local state, I don't think. Below is an example on how to use. I mean, I do want a state change upon sign-in, so I guess I kind of want this, but I thought I was going to do it slightly different. Okay, I think I want this for sure. Avoid redirects after sign-in. Let me just try to add this real quick. See what happens. There we go. Okay, so it didn't do that double, although that could be because I'm signed in, so let's try it incognito. Yeah, that's good. And then if I take that off, I believe that was, oops, causing the issue. Back to incognito. Let's try this again. Okay. Yeah, that was. So, although, oh wait, let me open a new window. And then it redirects, but okay, I think this was the issue. Okay. All right, let's try it one more time. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. That's sweet. All right, so that's working better now. So we don't need this article, although maybe I'll save this for later. Maybe this as well. Well, let's see what the main points of this are. You can't have texture shaped grid areas. Yeah, okay. Yep, I already knew that. Alright, maybe I'll read this later. Okay. Don't need that. Could open this later if I need it. Just cleaning some of these tabs up. Don't really care. Well, yeah. No, I need that open actually. Okay, back to what I was doing. So you click sign in, it hides the button. Perfect. So it's working. Now I just need to show the sign out button. So let's go back here. So I want to do this, but I want to do it and store it in context, because I think I'm gonna. Wouldn't that be better to use context, which I don't know how to use, by the way, but it's a good time to learn, I guess. Wait, where was I? But for now, I need this. I guess this can be in the header. I suppose. Yeah, this can just go in the header, because this is always going to be showing. Right? Alright, let's look at the config. I want to see all the options of this thing. This, no. Callbacks. Default, an object of developer's callbacks. Let's see what these are. Sign in, success with auth result. I think that's what we're using now. This will replace sign in success, so let's make sure we're using this one. We are. Okay. Sign in failure. Okay. So this I want to use as well. Let's add it in there since I know I'm going to use it. What is it? Oh, let me just try. I don't know how I would simulate an error to test this thing out, but I guess it's gonna console log the error for now. I guess I don't even really need this. Or yeah. Okay. I could just say console log here. Okay. So that's that. Wait, what happened to the color? Weird. I don't know. Alright. UI shown. This callback is triggered the first time the widget is rendered. It's useful for cases where the application display a custom loader before. I don't think I need that. Probably do something like this. Let me just copy this. Credential helper. Nope. Query parameter. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. No. Wait, are we on to... Oh, this is just some more stuff. Sign in options. We already got this. It's probably all of them that I just went through, but I didn't see any callbacks. Oh wait, I'm not even done with the callbacks. Yes, I am. I think. Yes. Okay, so let's see what else we got here. So if I do something here, which I think I'm going to, I don't need this. Wait. Required, or when it returns true. Oh yeah, so I'll still need it. Because now it's returning false. Okay, but if I do something there, I can get rid of this, I guess. Okay. All right. Don't care about these at the moment. Sweet. Okay, so how to show the sign out button. So I know for sure I can just on this page. See on this, wait, where's the header? Yeah, on this page I'll probably just read from the context is the way to do it, I think. And then show this button or the other one. Right. I think that's what I want. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's set that up. When to use context. Context is designed to share data that can be considered global, such as an authenticated user. Okay. Yep. Context lets us pass deep value or value deep in the component tree. Create a context for the current theme as light as the default. Let's start here. And we'll throw it for now. I think I'll probably want it in a separate file, but I'll throw it in here for now. Stick it right here. And we'll call it auth context. Should I have multiple contexts or just an app context? For now, we'll do auth context. Okay. Create context. I guess I'll start it out as an object. I think that's what that means. The default. Okay. Using context. Use a provider to pass the current theme to the tree below. Okay. So we'll do something like this. App is a function though. let's do this. Okay. So I think with functions you use it differently. I'm gonna look into this later. I'm not gonna look at that at the moment. Context provider. This is probably important. All consumers that are descendants of a provider. Descendants, so not just children, will re-render whenever the provider's value prop changes. Oh, shoot. I read an article about something about this. So I need to keep that in mind and maybe find a way to prevent that. I know there's a way to do this though. I swear there's a way to do this. Differently with functions. Maybe they changed. Okay. Alright, let's just try this. Create context, my test one, file one, prop one. Alright, so just need to wrap everything here in that context, I think. Context. And it needs to say provider. Yeah. Wait, the entire state is past the provider. Go back up here. Oh, this is what I was thinking. A React component subscribes to context changes. Okay, this is what I was thinking. I need context consumer for function component. Okay. All right. But either way, I need context provider. Like so. What was that? Yeah, okay. Cool. So have the context dot provider. I guess I should have renamed that at the same time. Oops. Okay. And header. So let's see how I use consumer now. I usually like to get something working and then read through the more details. If they don't have any examples, obviously I would have to do it differently. Where are we at here? Okay. Requires a function as a child. Okay. So context consumer. How do you refer to it though? I have to export it and then import it or something? Okay, let's just start here. I know this isn't going to work, but okay, and then how do I get access to it? Alright, try to find an example. If I can't, read more. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, you do have to import it, so I do have to export it. So yeah, that would make sense to put it in a separate file then. Okay. So auth context, this is actually going to be, where is this going to be? I guess for now I'll throw it at base level and not in a folder. All right, that looks good. I need to import it here as well. This path is not right. Yeah, that would be nice to get rid of this. I kind of like it because it shows where it is compared to this file in terms of, but I mean, there's other easier ways to see that as well. All right, did I copy that file? I think so. Let's try it again. Let's throw it here. And okay. Context is not exported. What? Oh, that's a named export. Okay. So yeah, let's go back to how it was before. Export default, or not default. Auth context as default. Can I do that? Do I even need to do that? Whatever. All right. think it's working now. Oh no, it's not working. So that doesn't work. Okay, well, now we're good. Render is not a function. Where is that coming from? Oh. Is it because I don't have that render thing here? Let's see. Expected an assignment. Oh, right. Let's just add a return statement. I think we're good. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So let's go back. I mean, add these things back in. Get rid of this, this, this. Too many curly braces. Whoa, what the heck? And then it's because, yeah, adjacent. I wonder if I should just throw the whole thing in there then. It's backwards. Okay. All right. And now let's see if we can access it. What's a better name for this? Auth, I guess. We'll call it auth. Uh-oh, what is this? Auto import from Firebase. Oh, never mind, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead and, I don't know. Let's try to show something from there. That's problem. Please work. Canary property one undefined. Okay. Didn't think it would work. Let's clean this up a tiny bit. Wait, I don't need these. No. It seems like I should, but I don't. Of undefined, huh? Wow. Well, let's just show value. I mean auth. Well, this is undefined. I think I need a small break. Maybe a long break. Yeah, I might at least get up and stretch for a minute. I'll be back quickly, shortly. Alright, we're back. Let's get rid of this message. Everything looks good, right? Let's double check. Yeah, cool. Okay, so what's up here? Obviously I don't know how to use this. It's definitely getting it. Because if I changed... Yeah, it's working. Provider... Should be fine. I guess I don't really need it. And, who knows? Don't really need it in the footer, but that's okay. It's probably a better structure for this, but it's fine. How about... I don't know, man. Alright, let's look at the docs. It's always a good idea to look at the docs. Let me mark this down for later. Okay. Let's read through this. It's going to be boring, but we're going to read through it. Okay, it's without context. So we did this. Oh, you have to set a value here. Or do you? Let me try that real quick. I don't think it'll fix anything, but maybe. Wait a second. Where were we? Here. Prompt 2. Oh, it works. I don't get the default thing then. Let's keep reading. Wait, context. Let me try that one more time before we read on. Prompt 1. Oh well, it's not provided value. Yeah. I don't get it, man. There's something here that I'm doing wrong. What if I do this? Oh, this doesn't work at all. No way this works. Alright, what am I thinking? Let me try. get it. I really want to understand why the default does nothing for me. Okay. So I guess if you're using a class component, you would want to do this as well. They don't say a word about that, do they? Oh, never mind. It's not a context type. To read the current theme context. Yeah. Wait a second. Static context type equals theme context. Okay. And then this dot context. Okay. Okay, I got it. So in a class component, this dot context refers to this context, and this is how you set it up. Okay. Okay. If you want to avoid passing. Okay, I don't care about this right now. Okay. Creates a context object. Subscribes. It'll read the current context value. Okay, here we go. The default value argument is only used when a component does not have a matching provider. In the above in the tree. The default value argument is only used when a component does not. What? I mean, this has a matching provider above in the tree. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Let's see now. It should work. Yeah, I saw the prop one. There we go. Okay, got it. Makes sense. Oops. Okay, cool. Got that part now. And this will be honestly, it's just gonna be an empty object. Do I have to put anything in here? Probably not. We'll throw an empty object in there. I don't know. All right. that's good. This is actually going to be user. No. So this should not render anything. It doesn't. Okay. Perfect. Let's go ahead and continue reading. We're almost halfway through. Every context comes with a provider React component. Okay. Accepts a value prop. Okay. I'm actually okay with this because it's only going to change when the person logs in or out, and then I do want everything to change, so that's actually perfect. So I really don't need to worry about this, I don't think. Am I still streaming okay? Yeah. Okay. Object is... Okay. Oh, they do talk about context type down here. Okay. The context type property on a class can be assigned to a context object created by, so that you can assume the nearest current value of the context type. Yep. Okay. If you're using the experimental public class field syntax, experimental public class field syntax. Class fields. Okay. Okay, I know what they're talking about. That I am using that actually. Or I will be using that if I'm not already. Alright. So if you were using a constructor, I guess you could not use a static class field. Okay. Consumer, okay. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. I don't care about these examples really. If I need them, I'll read them later. Okay. Sweet. What are the caveats? When a provider's parent re-renders. Okay. So this is actually what I have. I don't think it matters because I don't see the header being re-rendered, so it's fine. Something to think about though. To keep context rendering faster, things to make. Okay. Alright. We're good. We are so good. Alright. Now I actually want to get the user when you sign in. So we can go back to the Firebase. Where was that? Right here. Firebase auth on state change. Okay. So let's go back to the code. And where is that going to be here? And I guess I could just make this a class component. I think it'll make things easier. What's the problem here? Oh. Okay. And then I'll do what they said here. Wonder how you do this with hooks. Oops, that doesn't go there. Goes here. And then state. And what do we got here? Can I? Okay. Perfect. And now let's go back to the other thing again. Where is that thing? Let's just add this. Where do I want to add this at the top? I think Airbnb prefers it up there. I've been using that in another project. ESLint Airbnb. Alright, so we need this. Back in app again. These things should go down here. Actually, yeah, I like the main components at the top. And then the other stuff. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. It's true. All right, so where are we at now? What the heck? How do I erase that? Oh, there we Let's go ahead and simplify this actually. Okay. Looks good. So component did mount. We get this return to unregister. So let's actually add that in there as well. Okay. Firebase. I don't really like this formatting. Prettier. Whatever. I guess I have to stick with it. User. This is it. Alright, on a state change, user says state is signed in. So we'll actually do value is going to be is this right? Yeah. User. I think that's right. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this will actually be auth. After this, where is this end? I want to try a callback to test this out. State.auth. No, value. Alright. For now, let's comment this out. Okay. User P. Is it always P? Like, does it give you a random thing? What's up with that? I don't know. It's weird. Oh, never mind. This is just an object. Okay. Okay. User dot. We'll say email. So auth dot email. Right? No. Auth dot user dot email. Let's see what this says. Auth.email. Wait, what? Auth.user. Yeah. Yeah. Cannot read property email of null, and it just says it has those properties. Or that property. Okay. Auth that email. I swear I tried that. It's not showing though. How's it going? How's it going, Austin Peel? Oh. This goes up here. Oh, that's not gonna work. I need it in this function. Alright, let's turn this into a get rid of this basically. Return. Console.log auth. What are we getting here? Wait. Logging way too much. Let's get rid of this callback. So user null. So it's happening twice. I think we read about that. Unless I'm console logging somewhere else. Let's get rid of that temporarily, although that has nothing to do with it. So it's being rendered twice. Why is that? Because the sign-in state's changing, I guess. Interesting. So I could just do a check, I guess. I don't know. Seems like I need to deal with this at some point, but the whole point is I was trying to check it, so it's whatever. Okay, so I have that now. And I want to show the sign-in button. So we're gonna go auth.user. Oops. Auth.user. Button. Sign out. Else. This thing. Okay. Yeah, dude, that's terrible. Look at that. Alright, I'll get to that in a minute though. Let's try to sign out. Firebase is not in here. Actually, Yeah, it's fine. We'll move it out, back out again. Header. Get rid of this. Okay. Okay. How about if you load it and then sign out shows up? That's so lame. What the hell? That's so terrible. And that's terrible as well. Okay. Gosh. Ugh. I thought we took care of this. Because context, there's some gotchas. You know what was that other one? All consumers that are descendants will re-enter whenever the provider's value prop changes, which is happening. Propagation. How do you prevent that? I wonder if I could use the old one, the old object, and just update it. Is that what this does, or does it just give it an entirely new object? I think it does. I don't know. So let's pick one to fix. Which one should we fix? All right. So I can either fix that or this. I think they're both related somehow. Maybe not though. Let's fix this one where it renders it twice. This might be something we can use with that one I said I'm not going to end up using. What's it called? Oh, what is this? This is probably what we need. Yeah, I think that's what we need. Okay, signing success with auth result. Where is that? Is that even going to help? I think it will. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Where was that thing? Configuration. Callbacks. It's invoked when a user signs in successfully. Which includes the current logged in user. Actually, you know what? Let's see if this runs. Period. Oops. Maybe I just don't see it. Okay. UI shown. This callback is triggered the first time. Firebase, that's it. So initially, auth user. Wait a second, what? Oh, no, that's right. So it shows this one, and then it re-renders, and that's good, and it shows the other one. But what's causing... I'm thinking about the other issue now. Elson PL, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. I think this might be a good time to stop for the day. I'm like running into a wall. Or not for the day, but for a little bit anyways. We'll see. I'm going to keep going. If I'm making no progress, I'll take a break. So let's see how it compares to their local state example. Okay. I could do something like this. That would work probably. That's smart. No. Does that make sense? No, that wouldn't help. It's not gonna help my issue, I don't think. Same thing. The issue is that it's re-rendering. Yeah, this is not a fix for what I'm doing, because my app is not re-rendering, I don't think. I can test that. Oh, it is. And it's re-rendering because of the state changes. Because of this. So it is rendering twice. Okay. So that is... But... This says... Maybe I just need to do something slightly different. Like this. No, it doesn't make any sense. Ugh. Do not get this at all. So I don't want that to happen. Okay. So I think this I know. Okay. So this can't. This won't work. Basically, I could put it in. It's not gonna help me. Well, will it? If I throw this in header. Let me put this in header. I don't know. That's all I can think of right now. Oh, no, state changed. I don't know. Let's try it. I don't think this is gonna help, but. Are we back to normal? So that only does it once. Okay. Okay. Now I don't know if this is a good thing to do. Wait, value equals. Yeah, I'm gonna do, let's see, const auth. Actually, where should I put this? There, I'll just throw it up here. Static? Does this make sense as static? Static auth context equals that. And this is gonna be this dot auth context, and then this is value is this dot state dot value. Oh, right. We'll go static for now. And then update, no, update auth or something. There's gonna be some way to change the state. For now, I'll just do that. Value is user. Something like that. I don't know if I have no idea if this is gonna work. Should probably read a little bit more. Let's see. So on state change is no longer gonna be this. Well, it's gonna be auth context. I think that's how you do it. Yeah. User update auth. Context. No. Oh yeah, auth context. Let's update. No. Wait. Ah, it's only available here. Shit. Oh no, this is different now. It's this dot context. So it's update here, I guess. And then this needs to be different. Or we can just get rid of the render prop. Let's keep it for now. Just copy this. Yeah. Is that right? This is this context. Dot. I don't know. Value, current property value undefined. Wait, where was that? Yeah. I don't think this will matter at all, but render's not a function. Oh, I don't need the consumer stuff. What's this? should use Redux. Maybe. I have no clue what I'm doing. How's it going, Matt? This context update user is not a function. It's true. Redux is OP. Wait, did I call it something else? You think so? Yeah. Update user is not a function. Yeah, I mean, did I just, there we go. This dot set say is not a function. You're not a fan of context, huh? I'm trying to limit the dependencies as much as possible. But arrow function? Okay. Wait, arrow function? Oh, right. Thank you. Can I just do this? Yeah. There we go. I still don't think it's gonna work. So when I did static though, that doesn't work. Yeah, okay. This seems so wrong. I know this isn't the best way, and Redux is probably better, but this has to be terrible. Even if it works. It doesn't do the weird thing though, that's good. Does it actually sign you in? Does it sign you in? No. Wait, yes it does. Alright, hold on 1 second, I'll show you. Let's see, sign in. Oh, I should have try it without this. Let's just see if it actually signs you in. Just curious. Twitch. I'll show you the code in just a second. Just want to try something. Yeah, it doesn't actually sign you in. This is so screwed up. The problem I was having. Yeah, it's just a public property I made on this class. The problem I was having, yeah, I mean, I'm not using it right, so that's part of the problem. The problem I'm having is I had this. Where was it? I just closed it. I had this thing that is watching for state changes in the auth state changes in the app component, and it was working, but when it starts out initially, when the page renders, it would what was it doing? Oh yeah, it was rendering initially before. It was basically rendering twice because the component did mount, and then it was yeah, it was showing the sign out button, and then the sign in button, and then the sign out button right afterwards. So I was trying to get that working in here instead, so that this would not re-render, causing what I had for the value to be passed back down, I believe, to this, causing this to re-render again, causing the button to show up as sign in and then sign out. Okay. It shouldn't be in CDM. Okay, that's a thought. That is a thought. Let's try that. Where should it be? Honestly, I think I just need a break. I have no clue what I'm doing. Ugh. Why didn't this work, actually? I'm gonna work with this for just a second. Nah, it's so weird. That's why. Actually, is it that bad? Wait, what is this? I just realized I don't even know what this is. Oh, that's the value. That's gonna be the value. Okay. Okay. Maybe that's a bad name. Wait, this doesn't... Oh, wait, this doesn't need to be here. Or does it? Value equals this auth context. In your component, you might need to have a key for it. Auth this auth that context. Oh, I see. I don't think so. Let me just not use state. How about that? And then, does this make any freaking sense? Like, lost my mind. What am I even trying to do anymore? So, okay, so header. What needs to know about this auth state? Everything in the app, except really for footer, right? Everything in here needs to as well. That'll eventually go in there. Needs to know about this, the auth state. So I can't have it live in the header. It does need to be out here. But that's fine. Yeah, this is fine. I think I'm good. Value is just gonna be user. Yeah, this is fine. There's nothing wrong with this. This is gonna be null. This is not gonna be set state. This is gonna be. Oh, okay. Update user, and then we're gonna set this user to user. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Wait, is it gonna work? It does nothing. It's so stupid. What am I talking about? Or does it? I don't know. Let's just try it. I can't even think right now. Okay. User. This not user. I actually want a regular function here, I think. No, wait. No, that wouldn't help. I guess we want auth context. I don't know, man. This is so wrong. Equals user. This not. So it's updating this public property, but not updating the state. I think it's what Matt said. I just need to keep it at a componented mount. Okay. Whatever, let's try it. So we're authorized. Let's try it incognito. Not authorized. Maybe authorized. Authorized. But it's still showing this. And we're still authorized. But it doesn't show the other, it doesn't do that. And it doesn't, what's the other thing that I was doing? Okay, so even when you're logged in or out, it shows that. This is null, but there is a user. So it didn't get updated then. And what if I click on this? Still null. Does it even go in this function? Yeah. What does it pass? Passes the user. Oh. Oh. Because it never changes. So no. So lost. So freaking lost. I could just pass this down, bring it outside of auth and stuff like that. I don't know. Yeah, man, I think I need a break. This is what happens when this is one time to take a break when I'm making no progress. I guess I could work on something else. What do I want to work on? Yeah, I think I need a break. How long have I been going? 3 hours? That's not too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I might be back in a bit. Thank you guys. Appreciate the help. Thanks for watching. I think I'll be back in a little bit. We'll see. I might just stop for the rest of the day. I'm not sure. But, yeah. I'll probably do a little bit of research off stream and come back with a fresh head. See if I can figure this out. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.